Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and in this video we're going to be taking a look and unboxing Rain 4G. Now Rain, the company, claims that this guy here will supercharge your smartphone and add fast and reliable 4G network that won't break the bank. Now you're going to be paying just 250 Rand a month and you'll add an unlimited off-peak data. Now this guy here offers a mobile data only service at 5 cents per megabyte or 50 Rand per gig, and you only pay actually what you use, and there is no contract attached to this guy. Now let's unbox it and check what's inside. In this video we're only going to be looking at what comes inside the package itself, this little tiny package. And this guy also is free of charge. I actually got it from Take a Lot. Remember previously when I tried buying it, the price of this guy was 1 Rand, but they were charging me 60 Rand for delivery. So I waited until I had other stuff to ship, and I also got this guy. Now inside the package you have first plastic. At the back you have your unlimited network data written in blue. You have an activate SIM card number. I think that's the code that you're going to use to activate this guy. As I was saying, I'm only making this video so I can actually ask you guys what you guys want me to try out on this guy, or what you guys want to see me make a video about this guy. Now this guy here, I'm gonna be using it for probably a month or so, just for me to test it out and give you guys my opinion on what I think about this. But as I mentioned, this guy will give you off-peak, they mention actually 19 hours of off-peak use at 250 per month, and again you'll be gaining 1 meg for 5 cents and 1 gig for 50 Rand. Now I'm gonna probably put this guy on my Mobicel device. This is the cheapest smartphone in the country. If you guys want to check that video, I'm gonna link it somewhere up here or also in the description. But I'm gonna pair them together and maybe just test it out. But if I see that this phone is not really performing properly with it, I'm gonna just pop it in one of my other phones so I can actually give you guys a proper feedback when I come back to this video. Now let me know down in the description on Twitter or on Instagram what questions you have about this guy for the future review video, and as well as if you're using it, to let me know what I need to do to actually get a better performance or the maximum performance out of this guy itself. So in the package you're gonna be getting a SIM removal tool and the Rain SIM card itself. Now this guy will support the normal SIM, nano SIM, as well as a micro SIM, so you're going to be able to use in any device that you might own or use. This guy also has minimal branding. As you guys can see, all it says is Rain 4G, and on the SIM card also has a Rain 4G writing, as well as a little barcode also on the SIM itself. Alright, so in other updates, I have a giveaway that's gonna take part this week, the week of the 25th of December. I'm gonna be giving 2 vouchers on Twitter. Make sure you go and you follow me there and tweet at me with the hashtag Homekrafted, and I'm gonna drop maybe before and after Christmas. And all you have to do to enter is actually be following me and wait for one of the voucher. I'm gonna be dropping it in a random day. That's why you gotta actually make sure you're following me there. And the other one, I'm just gonna pick a random person that actually tweets me, and I'm gonna give that one to them. Now this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you go and you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up obviously, and also make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Otherwise I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace. One of the vouchers is gonna be dropped surprisingly